are looking for a luxury, versatile and powerful compact SUV that combines sporty performance, premium and sophisticated design, the latest tech features, practicality with a comfortable ride, and a thrilling driving experience, then the BMW X2 M35i xDRIVE is one of the best options for you. This model is the top-of-the-line variant of the X2 series, and the brand has recently updated the model, which makes it stand out from the crowd. The exterior of the BMW X2 M35i xDRIVE features a sophisticated, eye-catching, and dynamic look with a sculptured body design that stands out from the crowd. The front features sleek adaptive LED headlights with daytime running lights and an attractive BMW kidney grille with white light that makes a distinct appearance even in the dark. Other exterior highlights are large air intakes, an M rear spoiler, bold M styling, light machine-made alloy wheels, flush door handles, a panoramic sunroof, and quad exhaust pipes. Car is available in different color options such as Alpine White, Black Sapphire, Misano Blue, and Sunset Orange that you can choose from according to your requirements. Under the hood, the BMW X2 M35i xDRIVE is equally impressive, as it features a 2.0-litre twin-power turbo 6-cylinder engine that can make 300 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. For smooth and responsive shifting, this engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and an intelligent all-wheel drive system that optimizes traction and stability. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. The interior of the BMW X2 M35i xDRIVE is spacious and luxurious, available with comfortable and ergonomic M-specific folding and split leather seats, a leather-wrapped M multifunctional steering wheel, a digital instrument cluster, and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system loaded with the latest BMW's connected car technology features and BMW's iDrive 9 operating system. Other features include Harman Kardon's premium multi-speaker surround sound system, a head-up display, wireless charging, heated and ventilated seats, automatic climate control, keyless entry and engine start-stop, and many more that ensure drivers and passengers' comfort. Talking about the price, then the 2024 X2 M35i xDRIVE is available with a starting showroom price of around $55,000. What are your thoughts, friends, on BMW's cars? Comment below and hit the subscribe button for more daily new automotive updates, and thank you, friends, for watching our videos.